Okay guys, I discovered how to make shortbread, so I decided to share it with you all. If you're interested, watch to the end and help me to share. So I have here with me 400 grams of butter. I added sugar on it, and then I'm going to use my mixer to mix it up until I can no longer see the sugar. Next, I am going to be adding milk on it. So this milk is about 7 tablespoons. I add into the butter, and then I'm going to whisk it up together nicely. Honestly, the way this shortbread biscuit they cost for market. So I went in with my vanilla extra, which is totally optional. Mix them up together again. Next, I'm going to be adding 2 cups of flour. So depending on your butter and the quantity you want to make. So I mix that with my mixer, and then I'm going to take off the mixer now. The next flour I'm going to be adding, I will use spoon to mix it up nicely. Now tell me where you're watching this video so that on my next video, I'm going to send you a hug. Mix them together nicely like this. This is the texture you want to see. Then next, I'm just going to place it in a flat surface. So I'm going to make use of this baking paper because I don't want it to be sticking on the table. So then I'm going to cover it and use my roller to roll it until it is flat. So do not make it too flat as if you want to make meat pie. Just a little bit flat, and then that is it. Next, I'm just going to cut the side that is not straight, just to make it straight the way I want it to be. Okay guys, if you find this video helpful, please help me to share this video so that it gets to more people. Once I'm done cutting off the part that is rough, I'm going to gently remove them and set them aside. Back those days, you buy shortbread for 400 naira. Like if a guy they toast you like this, now shortbread he go come give you. Now you go to the market to buy shortbread, you can't even afford it anymore. So why not try making your own in the comfort of your own home? Mothers with little children, how do you people cope with biscuits? It is better you learn how to do some certain things for yourself. So guys, as you can see, I am using my knife to cut it straight, just like shortbread. This is how shortbread looks like. Then I'm going to use my fork to give it that design of shortbread. Once I'm done doing it like this, next I am going to put them in my baking tray. While I was doing this, my oven was already heated, so I baked it for 15 minutes under 150 degrees. Guys, take a look at this. It really came out nice and it's really easy to make, guys. This is something you can make for your children in the comfort of your own home instead of spending money buying expensive biscuits in the market. Look at this milky shortbread biscuit. Does it look like something you would love to try? Let me know in the comment section, guys. It's very soft, and when you taste it, it tastes milk. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you on my next one. Bye.